Good morning friends. Let us continue exercise 6.2. Till now we have solved question up to question number 7. Today we will finish question number 8, question number 9 and question number 10. So question number 8, in which using 6.2 theorem, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side. See, this is we have proved in last standard, 9th standard, which is midpoint theorem, but here we need to prove it by using basic proportionality theorem. So they have not given any names for the figure, so we need to draw the figure along with names. So let us have the triangle ABC, in which D is the midpoint of AC and D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. Now we need to prove DE is parallel to BC. So diagram is like this. Now given in triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. To prove DE is parallel to BC, D हा AB चा मिडपॉइंट आहे, E हा AC चा मिडपॉइंट आहे. जर आपण DE जॉईन केलं तर DE ही थर्ड साइडला म्हणजेच BC ला पॅरलल असली पाहिजे. दॅट इज टू बी प्रूव्ड. व्हेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन, ओनली फॉर 2 marks. So AD is equals to BD. As D is the midpoint of AB, AD must be equal to BD as D is the midpoint of AB. Now AD upon BD is equals to 1. So statement number 1. Similarly here E is also midpoint of AC, that means AE is equals to EC. If you take EC here, AE upon EC is equals to 1. Number 2. From statement number 1 and 2 we can clearly see that RHS is 1, RHS is 1, therefore AD upon BD has to be equals to AE upon EC. Now take this statement number 3 and look at the figure. AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. This is nothing but by converse of BPT we can say DE must be parallel to BC, hence proved. So this is question number 8 for 2 marks. See, question number 9 and question number 10. Question number 9 we can solve it by BPT as well as similarity, but it is very simple to solve by using similarity. In the exam they will not ask by using similarity or by using BPT. Only the question is given and prove that this. So here in this question particularly 9 and 10, let us solve this question by using similarity. So we have not seen any criteria till now, but we will see in the next video. But here we will use that similarity only. There are, as we have seen in last standard, there are some criterion for congruency. Similarly here in this standard we will learn some criteria of similarity, in which AA is the most important criteria, angle. If two angles of one triangle are congruent with two angles of another triangle, that is corresponding angles of another triangle, then the triangles are similar. So here this is one of the criteria which we will see in the next video or next topic of this lesson, but we will use that only. Very simple, that's why we will use that only. So here look at the question. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonals intersect each other at the point O. Show that AO upon BO is equals to CO upon DO. See, look at the figure. We need to draw the figure. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB and CD are parallel to each other. Then we need to prove the diagonals are intersect at point O, and what is to be proved? See, AO upon BO is equals to CO upon DO. That means corresponding sides proportion मध्ये आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचे आहेत. सो आपण ॲक्च्युली या क्वेश्चनमध्ये हे जे दोन ट्रायंगल आहे, दिस ट्रायंगल and this triangle, we need to prove those two triangles are similar by AA criterion. So how to prove it? See, if you take AB parallel DC and AC transversal, if you take AC transversal, then this angle and this angle are alternate angles. And if you look at these two angles, AOB and COD, they are vertically opposite angles. So in these two triangles, we got two elements, that is two angles of this triangle are congruent with two angles of this triangle. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by AA criterion. So let us see how to write the proof. AB parallel CD given, and if you take AC transversal, then angle BAO, I have marked it here, cross and cross. So this angle is equals to this angle. What is the name of this angle? BAO. And what is the name of this angle? DCO. So BAO is equals to DCO. Number one, reason is alternate angles. And now AOB, this angle, see this and this, vertically opposite angles. So angle BAO is equals to angle DCO, they are vertical, COD, sorry, AOB, COD, they are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. So this is the similarity sign, AOB similar triangle COD by AA criterion. And now as the two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are in proportion. Which sides I need to take? AO, CO, BO, DO. So AO, first, second letter, AO upon CO. I need BO, that means OB upon OD. So we need to take only these two sides. AO upon CO is equals to BO upon DO. But it is not, to prove is not like this. I need BO here, I need CO there. So by cross multiplication we will get AO upon BO is equals to CO upon DO, hence proved. So this is also, this question is for 3 marks and question number 8 is for 2 marks. So even if it is not related to, this question is not related, in this exercise it is not related to similarity. They expect this question to be solved by using BPT, but in the exam they will not mention which method is to be used, so you can use similarity. So it is very simple method and the question is for 3 marks and question 8 is for 2 marks. Now we will solve question number 10. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 इज द सी, आता जो आपण वरती क्वेश्चन केला त्याचा थोडक्यामध्ये कॉन्व्हर्स असलं, वरती आपण ट्रेपेझियम गिवन होतं, या क्वेश्चन मध्ये वी नीड टू प्रूव्ह द क्वाड्रिलॅटरल इज ट्रेपेझियम. द डायगोनल्स ऑफ क्वाड्रिलॅटरल, वी डोंट नो विच टाइप ऑफ क्वाड्रिलॅटरल इट इज, बट द क्वाड्रिलॅटरलचे डायगोनल्स intersect at point O such that AO upon BO is equals to CO upon DO. That means what we have proved in the previous question, in this question it is given, and in the previous question the quadrilateral is trapezium given, but in this question we need to prove quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. So we will have the same figure only, but I will not mention ABCD is a trapezium because we need to prove it is a trapezium. So whatever is to be proved, draw the diagram for the same. So this diagram kada trapezium chi, but don't mention ABCD is trapezium. So what is given? It is a quadrilateral. In quadrilateral ABCD, diagonals AC and BD intersect at point O such that AO upon BO is equals to CO upon DO. This is given. To prove quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. सो अगोदरच्या क्वेश्चन मध्ये एबीसीडी ट्रेपेझियम होता आणि आपल्याला एओ अपॉन बीओ इज इक्वल्स टू सीओ अपॉन डीओ आपण प्रूव्ह केलं. नाउ इन दिस क्वेश्चन एओ अपॉन बीओ इज इक्वल्स टू सीओ अपॉन डीओ इट इज गिवन and we need to prove ABCD is a trapezium. When we need to prove or when we want to prove given quadrilateral is a trapezium, so we need to prove the property of trapezium. What is the property of trapezium? One pair of opposite sides is parallel. Now in this case, if you show or if you prove AB parallel CD, then we can say ABCD is a trapezium. Now see again proof. What is our aim? To show AB parallel CD it is to be shown. But then only you can say quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. So AO upon BO is equals to CO upon DO. It is given. But AO upon BO च्या ऐवजी मला AO upon CO हवे, सो क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय करूया. Therefore take CO here and BO there. AO upon CO is equals to BO upon DO. Number 1. See, AO upon CO and BO upon DO. And now look at this angle. It is vertically opposite angles. So directly we can show these two triangles similar. Now in triangle AOB and triangle COD, angle AOB is equals to angle COD, vertically opposite angles. या दोन ट्रायंगल मध्ये हा एक अँगल मिळाला आणि आता दुसरा अँगल नाही पण दोन साइड्स प्रोपोर्शन मध्ये मला एक नंबर स्टेटमेंट दाखवते की टू साइड्स आर इन प्रोपोर्शन. सो आय कॅन राईट AO अपॉन CO इज इक्वल्स टू BO अपॉन DO. दिस इज फ्रॉम स्टेटमेंट नंबर 1. Now look at these two triangles. Two corresponding sides are in proportion and included angle is congruent. This again we will see one more criterion for similarity, but to show this question or to solve this question we are using similarity because it is simpler method. So therefore I can write triangle AOB similar triangle COD. Which criterion? Two sides and one angle. So sides and angle is included between two sides. So SAS criterion. And as these two triangles are similar, corresponding angle ह्याच्यातला A आणि ह्याच्यातला A are, we can say these two angles are congruent. So BAO, therefore angle BAO is equals to angle BAO is equals to DCO, corresponding parts of similar triangle. And as these two angles we can see these two angles are congruent, and but in the figure these two angles are alternate angles, and we can see as these two angles are alternate angles, AB has to be parallel CD. Therefore, by alternate angle test, I can say AB parallel CD, and as AB parallel CD, quadrilateral ABCD is trapezium. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Hence, proved. So this is how we have finished exercise 6.2. Before going to exercise 6.3, we need to learn about similarity of triangles, some criterions for similarity of triangles. We will study those criterion first in one video, and then next video we will start exercise 6.3, which is the last exercise of this lesson. If you like my videos, if these videos are beneficial for you, like it, share it, subscribe it, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can receive the notifications regarding new videos. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, good day, take care.